In this video, we are going to review the Forex Theory board. So what is Forex Theory board? So Forex Theory board is a board which will do the trades on the behalf of the user. It is a sort of an automated trading board. So Forex Fury board is currently compatible with the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and a bunch of all other softwares and brokers. So in this video, we're gonna review it, and first we're gonna go through their website. I will be providing the link to the Forex Fury website in the description below, so you guys can check it out. You guys can always join their program by just clicking on joining now, and let's see what features are they actually and giving to you. So it says that the Forex Fury report provides trades with real-time automated results that can be trusted as we boost 93% winning track record with verified MyFX book accounts and expect to get better with each and every passing day. With full-length installation guides and ultra-responsive support team, super profitable settings, analysis and walkthrough videos, traders of all skills levels can benefit from the Forex Fury software immediately. So it has been rated number one by Benzinga, Wikijobs, Forex Report Nation, SourceForge, BizReport, Learn Bonds, and more. So it is also compatible with NFA, FIFO, ECN, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, Build 600 plus, tested and proven set files, always new setting and development, low, medium, high risk strategies, effective money management to ensure sustainable growth, trade any period analysis or crypto, work with any or all MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading brokers, easy 5-minute installation with complete guide and videos. So let's read some of the reviews over the internet to see is it actually legitimate and credible for the users which are using it for a while. So let's go to the Trustpilot website. As you guys can see that it has been rated 4.2 star, while only 228 people has rated it. So where 73% has rated it 5 star and only 12% has rated it 1 star. So as you guys can see that it is a verified company with a proof of identity. So I'm not just showing you some random stuff. I'm just showing you the legitimate and credible stuff. So as you guys can see that the people are saying that first review says that the scam less than 1 star. So I would rate less than 1 star if I could. Ask for a refund after 20 days and have repeatedly had responses showing that they're not reading my emails explaining my situation and haven't even tried to tell me I was outside the 30 days refund window despite being written an email chain with dates on every email. Responses are not helpful and only try to push you into using keeping their products. It's a scam company using scam tactics. They would make more money out of people purchasing this board than out of the stock market itself. Scam, 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 just stay away. This person has just rated it on the date of January 8, 2025. This person is saying that if you tried of losing it, try this board trading one pair with Forex very high, being a fan for a long time, and they are all verified sort of reviews. So they are not bot reviews, or you guys can say that it's not paid, but this person wasn't verified, so this can be a bot review. So if we go down, this person said that for the first time, they were going well. I had more win than loses. However, since the second month, I've been losing all my trades, even though I've been risking 3% on the GBP USD trades. I've been having significant losses. So I decided to withdraw from the robot trading and pulled and bid farewell to it. The Forex Fury customer service replied with a decent message saying that yes, it is December, it is a month that should be tracked very carefully or not traded. After all, as explained on our website, you'll notice our accounts are trading less using the range filter because December had bad price action. This is not a significant or reflection of our software as a whole. Just put the robot aside till January. So this is a pretty decent reply and logical reply from the Forex Fury bot customer service. This is pretty much it for the video today. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.